Assalamu alaikum students of class 2. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, I am fit and fine, and I expect that you all are in good health as well. Okay, we had started unit number 10 and now we are moving forward with the last stories of this unit. Stories from Mughal times. We had read the stories of two Mughal emperors, Babur and Humayun. Babur was a great Mughal emperor and Humayun was his son. But he was not a good soldier like his father. He won many battles. Battles mean war. And he lost many battles. Okay? That he didn't win. And he was his father. Babur was his father and Humayun was Babur's son. Okay? Babur was a very sophisticated person, and he used to have a beautiful garden in which he used to sit and enjoy the music and playing with his falcon, and there was a stream to make the garden cool. But Humayun was a kind-hearted person. As we had read that Humayun had asked once upon a time, Humayun was helped by a water carrier. He was drowning, Humayun was drowning. So the water carrier helped and saved him from drowning, and Humayun made this water carrier the emperor for half a day and let him sit on the emperor's throne. Right? Emperor's throne. So it means that Humayun was a kind-hearted person, and that is why he gave the reward of helping him to the water carrier. Right? Now today we will be reading the next two stories of this unit, which are the last ones, and then we will do questions and answers. Okay, we had done question answers in the previous lesson as well, and today also we'll be doing a few of them and we'll try to finish with it. Okay, now open up your book, World Watch 2, page number 63, Noor Jahan and the Tigers. Right? Please open up your book quickly and read with me. Noor Jahan and the Tigers. Jahangir was Humayun's grandson. Jahangir, Bacha Humayun ka grandson, pota tha. Noor Jahan was Jahangir's wife, और नूर जहां जहांगीर की बीवी थी. 400 years ago, 400 साल पहले, very few women were leaders, बहुत कम खवातीन रहनुमा बनती थी. As they are today, आज के मुकाबले में, आज तो देखें बहुत सी खवातीन ऐसी हैं जो लीड कर रही हैं अपने अपने शोबों में. बहुत मुल्कों में, दुनिया में ऐसे भी ममालिक हैं जहां पे विमेन प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स हैं, प्रेसिडेंट्स हैं. पाकिस्तान की तारीख में भी एक खातून प्राइम मिनिस्टर, वजीर आजम गुजरी हैं, बेनज़ीर भुट्टो. ठीक है, मोहतरमा बेनज़ीर भुट्टो वॉज द फर्स्ट फीमेल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान. अभी तक की वो पहली खातून वजीर आजम रही हैं. इसके अलावा आप देखें तो बहुत सी और ख़वातीन हैं ऐसी जो बहुत काबिल एहतराम हैं और अपने अपने शोबों में वो लीड कर रही हैं, लोगों की लीडर हैं, वो रहनुमा हैं. सबसे एग्जाम्पल जो हम अपनी रूटीन में रोज देखते हैं कौन है? जी बिल्कुल, डॉक्टर नौशीन है ना। अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग लीडर ऑफ लाहौर मकतब, शी इज लीडिंग लाहौर मकतब, है ना। तो बहुत सारी खवातीन आप जो है कामयाबी से अपने अपने महकमों को, डिपार्टमेंट्स को या अपनी अपनी फील्ड्स में लोगों को लेके चल रही हैं। लेकिन 400 साल पहले ऐसा रुझान नहीं था, खवातीन को उतनी ज्यादा लीडरशिप नहीं दी जाती थी जितनी अब मिलती है। बट नूरजहां हेल्प जहांगीर टू रूल द लैंड, लेकिन नूरजहां ने जहांगीर यानी अपने शौहर को हुकूमत करने में बड़ी मदद दी। शी वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड एट स्पोर्ट्स लाइक हंटिंग, और वो खेल में भी बहुत अच्छी थी, खेलों में जैसे कि शिकार, बड़ी शिकारी और खातून थी वो, यानी शिकार बहुत अच्छा करती थी, ठीक है, मर्दों की तरह। शी दैट इज एन इमेज ऑफ नूरजहां। See? Okay, she was a brave lady. One day, Noorjahan went hunting in the forest with her husband. एक दिन नूरजहां अपने शौहर के साथ शिकार के लिए जंगल में गई। I would like to take the first shot. She said, उसने कहा कि मैं पहला निशाना लेना चाहती हूँ। Even though she was sitting on top of a moving elephant, हालांकि वो एक चलते हुए हाथी की कमर पे बैठी थी, नूरजहां carefully took aim. नूरजहां ने बड़ी एहतियात से निशाना बांधा। Bang, 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 bang. With 6 shots, she killed all 4 tigers. Oh my God! 6 निशाने लगाए और चारों टाइगर्स, चारों चीते जो हैं वो मार गिराए उसने। यानी आप अंदाजा लगाएं कि कितनी वो अच्छी शिकारी थी कि उसने 6 निशानों में 4 चीते मार दिए। Here's Noorjahan's tomb in Lahore. I suppose that some of you have visited this place. Noorjahan's tomb in Lahore, and this is Jahangir's tomb in Lahore. इन दोनों का हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ के टॉम्स मकबरे लाहौर में ही मौजूद है। नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 64। हंटिंग इन मुगल टाइम्स, मुगलों के जमाने में शिकार कैसा होता था। इन मुगल टाइम्स, मुगल दौर में या मुगलिया दौर हुकूमत में, देयर वर लॉट्स ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, बहुत से जंगली जानवर मौजूद थे। People killed them for sport and used their meat and skins too. लोग उन्हें खेल के तौर पे उनका शिकार करते थे और उनका गोश्त ज़ाहिर खाने के काम आता था और उनकी खालें भी इस्तेमाल कर लेते थे। Nowadays, आजकल we want to protect our wild animals. हम अपने जंगली जानवरों को महफूज रखना चाहते हैं, especially tigers, खास तौर पे चीते, because there are not many left, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बचे, मार मार के बेचारों को मार ही दिया। We do not hunt them, और हम शिकार नहीं करते। It's a positive sign for all the wild animals, क्योंकि देखिए हमारी ही वजह से वो बहुत से जानवर जंगली जो है वो endangered हो गए हैं, दुनिया से खत्म होते जा रहे हैं और कुछ खत्म हो भी चुके हैं। तो शिकार उस वक्त में बहुत ज्यादा होता था और उस वक्त के बाद का खमियाजा जो है वो हम भुगत रहे हैं कि वाइल्ड एनिमल्स हैव बीन रिड्यूस्ड टू अ वेरी लो नंबर। ओके, सो these days hunting is not permitted in all areas. We have to protect our wildlife as well because it's a beauty of nature and they are useful as well. अल्लाह ताला ने कोई भी चीज गैर जरूरी नहीं बनाई। हमें लगता है कि उनका क्या काम है हमारी जिंदगी में, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो हमारी जिंदगियों को हेल्प कर रहे हैं, हमारे लिए हेल्पफुल हैं, नेचर के लिए हेल्पफुल हैं, इसीलिए अल्लाह ने बनाए। अल्लाह ने फालतू तो कोई चीज नहीं बनाई ना, हर चीज का एक पर्पस है, ऑब्जेक्टिव है, राइट। सो हियर एंड्स द यूनिट नंबर 10, स्टोरीज इन मुगल टाइम्स। दिस वाज द लास्ट पेज। Now take your pencils in your hands. There is an activity downwards. Label the animals. They have given us the names of the animals, like, let me have my pencil as well in my hand. Elephant, deer, leopard, rhinos, ducks, horse, and wild boar. Now what we will be doing, we'll write the appropriate words in all these spaces given on your page. Take out your pencils. Okay, this is going to be interesting because we have to write that what they are saying in speech bubbles as well, and we have to label the animals also. First of all, what we will do, we will label the animals with their names, right? This one. What is this? This orange one. What is this? It's a leopard. Very right. Leopard. Let me write it. Okay. Leopard. Here. L-E-O-P-A-R-D. Leopard. Right. Next. What is this? They've been killed through hunting. See, the people are hunting, na? This man is saying stop. He's stopping the tiger, the leopard. And the leopard wants to eat this deer who has been hunted by this man. See, first of all, okay, these are the, tell me, what is this? Zainab? Rhino, exactly. Let me write. R-H-I-N-O. Rhino, right? And these are two, oh my God, poor animals. Which animals are these? Hania? Yes, these are deers. So we will write D-E-E-R-S. एक डियर भी होता है ना, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. उसका क्या स्पेलिंग्स हैं? उसके भी ये स्पेलिंग्स हैं. तैयबा? नहीं, उसकी स्पेलिंग्स हैं यस, D-E-A-R, डियर. वेरी गुड. Then moving on to the next one. This is wild boar, they have written, and they have hunted it as well. Then, what is this? It's very easy. Arslan Bahu, please tell me what is this. Of course, it's a horse. Very good. Let me write as well. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Okay. What are these? 1, 2, 3, and 4. What are these? These are ducks, exactly, Abdul Muiz. These are ducks. What is this? The big animal. It's an elephant. Very good, Ahmad. Elephant. Okay, now we have to write that what these people are saying. Let's see from where we have to start. Okay, what is this person saying? This one. ये तीनों क्या कह रहे हैं इनको? Huh? Yes, they might be saying them, give them to us, it's ours, or we have shot them. Wow, we have shot them. है ना? कुछ भी कह सकते हैं. तो हम कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. We can write that we have shot them. यानी हमने मारा है बेचारी डक्स को. तो ये क्या कह रहे हैं? हाँ, वो ये कह सकते हैं ना, वाओ these are 4. यानी 4 मार गिराई तो बड़े खुश हो गए. Okay, this has been done. So we have labeled them. It's a leopard. These are 2 rhinos. These are deers. It's been already written. Wild boar. It's an elephant. These are ducks. And they're saying that we have shot them. Wow, these are 4. You may write your own words over here. Whatever you feel that they are saying, you may write yours. Okay? Okay, now we will be doing question answers. Please take out your notebooks and I'll be going back to the board. Come on. Okay, kindly prepare the page of your notebook with the date 21st of January 2021 and the day is Thursday. Unit number 10, stories from Mughal times, and do not forget to draw the margin lines. Questions and answer. Who was Noor Jahan's husband? Now tell me, what was the name of Noor Jahan's husband? 5. Jahangir, exactly. Who was Noor Jahan's husband? Jahangir was Noor Jahan's husband. I told you many times, and I am giving you reminders again and again, that you have to write a complete sentence as an answer. Okay, do you remember that when Dr. Oshin came to our class and we were doing continents and she told us that a complete answer should be written, one word answer is not acceptable. Do you remember that? 2 green? Yes, so we have to follow the format. We have to write a complete sentence. Jahangir was Noor Jahan's husband. Question number 2. Name a sport common in मुगल टाइम्स. एक ऐसा खेल जो मुगलिया दौर में बहुत खेला जाता था. कॉमन इन मुगल टाइम्स. A sport जो नूरजहां भी खेलती थी. Yes, hunting. Hunting was common in Mughal times. Hunting was a sport. It's a sport, but it's not controlled. Hunting was a sport common in Mughal times. Okay, hunting was a sport common in Mughal times. Okay, let's see. I'll adjust the camera so that you could read it properly. So, who was Noor Jahan's husband? Jahangir was Noor Jahan's husband. Name a sport common in Mughal times. Hunting was a sport common in Mughal times. Please write it clearly and neatly. Then we'll move forward to question number 3. These are very short answers, but short answers doesn't mean one word only. Short answer should be a short sentence. Okay? Next question, question number 3. Question number 3. How does the story show that Noor Jahan was good at hunting? कैसे कहानी में से हमें पता चला? Subhan, Fatma Jafar, Mohit. Yes, exactly. That she had killed how many tigers? 4 tigers. In how many shots? 6 shots. So the story shows tells that once Noor Jahan, it's Noor Jahan, not Noor Jahan. I'm sorry. Noor Jahan killed four tigers in 6 shots. This shows that she was a good hunter, was good at hunting. The story tells that once Noor Jahan killed 4 tigers in 6 shots. This shows that she was good at hunting. Okay? The story tells that once, कहानी हमें बताती है कि एक दफा नूरजहां ने 4 चीते 6 निशानों में मारे। इससे हमें पता चलता है कि वो हंटिंग में बहुत अच्छी थी। इसी से पता चला ना, हमने कौन सा जाके देखा था, है ना। ठीक है जी, that's it for today's lesson. We have done 3 questions with reading and a little activity on the book. In our next lesson, inshallah, we'll be doing more written work related to this unit and winding it up. Okay? Allah Hafiz.